Alright guys, it's good to have you here once again. So you are highly welcome to the smartphone graphic design course by Rich Graphics Academy. Now in this second section, we're going to be talking about the principles of graphic design. The principles of graphic design. So you are highly welcome once again. So let's dive in straight to the principles of graphic design. Now, as you know, the word principle simply means guideline or rules that guides or coordinates how a particular thing is meant to be, or how you are to follow a particular pattern to get results, to get a particular result or the desirable result. Now, so before I tell you these principles of graphic design, now I want you to have this in your mind that it is the principles of graphic design that will determine how well you were able to utilize the visual elements. Now I come again. The principles of graphic design will determine how well you were able to utilize the graphic design elements. Okay, how well you were able to place the elements, how well you were able to arrange them. Okay, the principle will help you to do it well. So just like I said, the principles of graphic design, or the word principle, is like a guideline that will guide you or coordinate you on how to achieve a particular result. Now it is very important that you have this also in your heart, that understanding the principles of graphic design will help you to always come out with a good design, will help you to always come out with a successful design. All right, so there are 8 principles of graphic design. So the first one is alignment, second one is balance, third one contrast, fourth one function, fifth one hierarchy, sixth one proximity, seventh one rhythm or repetition, and eighth one is simplicity. Okay, alignment, balance, we have contrast, we have function, hierarchy, proximity, rhythm or repetition, and simplicity. So I'm going to be explaining each of these principles explicitly for you, and ensure that you are writing and you are taking notes. And also I'm going to be giving you some examples. All right, now the first principles we're going to be talking about is alignment. Very, very important. Now these fundamental aspects of a design, this is a fundamental aspect of a design. Okay, why? Because it creates a visual connection between the fundamental elements of graphic design, such as types, image, and so on and so forth. Okay, so alignment is the placement of visual elements so they are arranged in a particular composition, so they are well placed. So alignment is used to organize visual elements. It's used to group them. It's used to create structure in your design. It's used to create connection, sharp and clear outcome. I'm going to give you an example here. Now if you observe closely, now in your design, okay, alignment, what usually help us in achieving alignment is called guide. So we have a particular tool in every design software called guide. Okay, so if you observe closely, you will see lines. You see lines here, lines here, lines here, lines here, lines. So these are called guides. So they help you to structure your design, help you to structure the visual elements on your design. Now I'm not going to be talking about the image used here, because you already know that the image goes very well with what the design is actually talking about. But I'm going to be talking about the structure, how it was being structured. If you watch closely, it is well aligned. So that is my main emphasis here. It was well aligned, it was well structured, so alignment helps you to create connection, help your design to be well structured and well arranged. Okay, so that is all about alignment. And what helps you to align, or what helps you to organize your design very well, is a particular tool called guide or grid. Okay, or grid. All right, so that is all regarding this principle. I'm going to be explaining more in the next principle of graphic design. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.